guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Advaith Pillai, and today we are going to be continuing our Python basics course, and this is going to be the part 6. And today we are going to learn about relational and membership operators. Okay guys, so let's begin. So first of all, we'll look at the greater than sign, which is this sign. Okay guys, so this sign is used for greater than, as we all know. So if I write a variable x and then if I give it the variable 4 is greater than 5. Okay guys, so we know that this is wrong. 4 is not greater than 5. So let's see what happens now. If we print x, let's see what happened in the shell window. As you guys can see, the output was false. Okay guys, so this is how it works. So if the value in x is true, it will print true, or if it's false, it will print false. So let's try with a different number. Let's say 10 is greater than 1, which is true. As you guys can see, it's printed true in the shell window. Okay guys, so this is the greater than symbol, and the next sign we look at is the less than sign. So this works the same way. Now if we write 10 is less than 1, let's see what happens. As you guys can see, it says false because it's obvious that 10 is less than 1. And now if we take some other number like 9 is less than 999, and if we run it now, as you guys can see, the answer is true. This is the it's the same case for this sign as it was for the greater than sign. If the value in the variable is true, true will be printed in the shell window, and vice versa for false. Okay guys, now let's look at the equals to sign. So the equals to sign is double equals to mark. Now I'll show you, like if we take again x as variable, and then if we write 8 equals to 8, and then if we run it, wait just a second, let me print x. If we print x now and if we run it, as you guys can see, the answer is true because 8 is equals to 8. Now let me tell you guys why a double equals to mark is used and not a single one. Because if we the single equals to sign is used to assign data to the variable. For example, if we say x is 9, okay, let's take y this time. Let's say y is 9. So this means that y's value is 9. Okay guys, and if we say y is equals to 9, this means that y and 9 are exactly the same thing. Okay guys, hope you understand this. Okay, so this is the equals to sign, which is double equals to. Now let's look at not equals to. So not equals to works like this: first an exclamation mark and then an equals to sign. So let's see what is the output for this code. As you guys can see, the answer is false. 8 is not equals to 8 is false because 8 is equals to 8. Now if we take some other number, let's say 7 is not equals to 8, the answer will be true because 7 is obviously not equals to 8. Now let's look at the greater than equals to sign. So the greater than equals to sign is used for greater than equals to. Okay, so let's look at it now. If we say 8 is greater than equals to 8, so first of all it will look at this code. First of all it will only look at the greater than symbol. Is 8 greater than 8? No. Is great equals to 8? Yes. So it will print true because at least one of the conditions are true. Okay guys, now let's take some other number. Let's say 5. Is 5 greater than 8? No. Is 5 equals to 8? No. So if we run it now, as you guys can see, the answer is false because none of the conditions are true. Okay guys, so this is the greater than symbol, greater than or equals to. Now the next sign we are going to look at is less than equals to. So if we write less than equals to, it's going to look at the first condition, 5. Is 5 less than 8? Yes. Is 5 equals to 8? No. So only one condition is true, so it will print true, because at least one of the conditions is true. Okay, now if we write 10, okay, is 10 less than 8? No. Is 10 equals to 8? No. So if we run it now, as you guys can see, the answer is false, because as we saw earlier, none of the conditions are true in this. Okay guys, now let's look at the membership operators. So if we take a simple set, okay, a simple set of data. So sets begin with this square brackets, okay guys, and let's put the data in it. Let's take 5 random numbers like 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay guys, so we have a set X with the number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay guys, now if we print 6 in X, the answer is true. So let's look at this code right now. So we have printed that 6 is in X, and what is X? X is a set containing certain numbers, and this code checks that if this particular number, which is 6 in this case, is inside of the set X. So this condition is true because 6 is inside X. Okay guys, so this is how in, and this is a membership operator. The same thing works for not in. Okay guys, so this is the second membership operator. Now if we run it now, the answer will be false, because our code says that 6 is not inside the set of X. So but in our case 6 is there, so that's why this condition is false. Now if we take some other number like 11, which is not inside the set, and if we run the code now, as you guys can see, true, because 11 is not in X. So this was a relational and membership operator. So I'll end this video here guys. Hope you like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye guys, and stay safe.